Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got this. I'll explain to you what it is and I will show you. It is like one of those things you can put price tags on the things for. So look at this. So this is it. And I used it this weekend because we were wearing suits and I didn't have any safety pins to hem things up. But how cool is that? I could use these. So the way this kind of works is you slide them in. I'm just putting it in upside down now. And then you go through whatever it is you want to crimp, to cinch. I guess I would just say I wanted to put it through this thing here. You stick it through. Actually, I'll go get something a little closer here to you. Here, let me grab just a little piece of the tab off. So you have whatever you want to go through, and you see it's got like a hole. Oh, I guess I just did one. But you see it's got like a little hole kind of thing in the needle. So you pierce the needle through what it is, and then you push the button, and as you push it, it squeezes the little tab through, and there you go. So it pops out there, and then when you pull it back out, it leaves it in there. So there you go. So see, so now I have a pierced piece of cardboard. So how cool is that? And what I used it for was like hemming up some bottoms of some suit pants. So we just kind of pushed it through there, and then when the kids were done wearing it, because it was for my 3 boys, when they were done wearing it, they could just rip it off and go on their way, and it's back down to new again. So not that they were going to return it or anything, but they would be able to just, to have it temporarily for the time being, because we didn't have time to have them altered. So these are really cool, and it comes with this. It comes with I don't know how many of these little things, a million of these little 1-inch pieces here, and it comes with some extra needles. Looks like 5 extra needles. I guess if you were really going through something, if you were trying to pierce through rock or something, you might break the needle, but otherwise I don't see too much. It seems like it should last a long time. But super cool and super easy, and it looks like, it even has a little lock on the other side there. So cool. So I'm going to say this is super awesome, and I like it. So thumbs up from me on this. I don't even know what it's called, but I'll put a link to it. So like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. I can put it away right here.